1600 with a single spare battery, junkyard battery, okay, and 4 runs of 0 gauge.
That little bitty cat doing all that work.
Yep, that's it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Doing all that on that. Wow. Highly impressive, man. Welding cable?
Yes, sir, for the grounds.
Okay. And this is?
It's all kinds of wire.
Okay, all right.
Night shifting cane.
Is this a 4-wheel drive?
It's all-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive, okay. Go to show how much I know about them. Oh, what's this all about?
That's just because the vent is normally right there for the AC, and it was letting out a ton of air.
Gotcha.
So I just sealed it off, foamed it, put insulator, and then put that steel on there. I ain't had time to grind it down and paint it yet.
Did you redo the doors?
I did.
The Wolframs?
Yes, sir.
Oh, man. All right. This is what you got in here, man?
Yeah, I got the 2 ZV518s on an MD8K right now because my main DD amp went into protect.
You changed out the radio too.
Yes, I did. That little Android one, it was all right, but it only had a 4 or a 3.5 volt pre-out.
Okay. Which one is this one?
It's the 4000 NEX.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I'll put a link in the video of the build that he had before this one, so you can check it out in the description. Change it all the way up. If I can find the video. Don't fault me, I'm old.
Disrespect, look, nigga, straight up. You know I got the perks, bring the box. As soon as she leave. I got the gang here too. Hey, what's your name? You a foolish. Fuck around, make a brain pop. If you locked in, tell me that you locked in. You ain't my main hoe, bitch, but you top 10. You know I got the perks, bring the box. That's impressive.
Tell you what, guys, this ain't no daily. Nah, just kidding.
Unfortunately, it is.
Yeah, it's his daily, not mine, for sure. Man, I appreciate you giving me a demo, man.
Yeah.
Made a whole bunch of changes, a whole bunch of improvements. Like I said, I'll put the link in the video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Shoot, man, that's it. Peace out.